Hello dear, this is Mike and right now we are going to start the third video of our course of the of the guest posting, and the third video is about like how we are going to check the SEO stats of websites for our guest postings. So first of all, let me tell you one thing. In SEO stats there is four things. The first one is DA, the second one is DR, the third one is organic traffic, and the fourth one is spam score. And DA mean like the first DA mean domain authority, the second one DR mean domain rating, after that the third one is organic traffic, and the fourth one is spam score. And right now today we are going to check these for SEO stats for our websites. And firstly we are going to like search here right for us plus fashion and open any of the website like this, any of the website, and you can copy the URL of this website here, and now you can search here DAPA checker. This is a tool, like this is a website for checking the DA and the spam score, like the domain authority and the spam score of the websites. From here you can simply paste the URL of the website, and after that you can simply check the DA. And let me tell you one thing about the DA. If a website, like this is a website that we are going to open, like this website, the URL of this website. Uh, If a website have a DA, like the domain authority 25 plus, that website is a good website. And the spam score is 1%, it's a good spam score, but the website DR is very low. We need the website with the DA 25 plus, or maybe 25, around about 25, like 23 is also be good, but below 23 it's not good. And right now you need to search here the traffic checker for the website traffic check, and paste here. Simply need to check the traffic of the website. Okay, and here you can see the traffic of the website, that is also not good. If a website have like the traffic 1K plus, like 1000 plus, that website is a good website here. Here you can see the traffic 364, that is not good. You need 1000 plus traffic website for guest postings. And here you can check domain rating like DR from this website. Click on this website and simply place the URL of the website here. Just a moment please. Here you can solve this reCAPTCHA. Here we go. Okay, it's 2.1K. That is also good traffic for websites. It's 100 or like 1K plus. That is also a good website for as a traffic related. And here we are going to check the domain rating of the website. Here we go and click on the check rating. When you click here, you can see it's 36. That's a good website, as the four format are implemented in this like website: the DA, the spam score, the traffic, and the domain rating is according to our conditions. I'm repeating one time for you. The website DA and DR is 25 plus must, or maybe 23 at least plus. The traffic is 1000, like 1K plus, and the spam score is 1%. That is a good website. And right now, today lecture is about how we are going to check the SEO stats of website for guest posting that I can done for you. And the last thing of this video that I can let you know, you have to be used this free tools. Like these are free tools like DAPA checker, the HRF traffic checker, and the domain rating checker. They are the free tools. If you're a new user, a new worker in this industry, like in guest posting, you just need to use the free tools because you do not have too much budget. If you have the money, you can simply buy Ahref tool, backlink checkers. Here you can see backlink checkers, maybe. Where is that? Give me only a short moment. Here, that is backlink checker. Here you can purchase that from many people. It's available on Facebook or maybe different platforms, or maybe you're directly going to purchase this backlink checkers from the Ahref. Or maybe there is another many of the tools like free tools like Moz.com, and the paid best tool is Ahref. Another one is SEMrush tool as well. But in the starting point, if you're a new agent, new person is new field in guest posting, you're simply going to use the free tools like DAPA checker, the website traffic checker as an Ahref, and the DR domain rating checker. These are the free, so you're going to use these free tools. I can also add these three tools details like the descript in the description of this video. You can also check out. So right now we are today video is done, like how we are going to check the access stat of a website for guest posting. So right now we are simply good to go. So take care of yourself. Have a good day. Bye.